Welcome to our channel. My name is Sylvia and I work for Autenti as a product specialist. If you have seen the video on advanced signature, I will now show you how to sign a document using it in a few simple steps. Let's get started. To access the document, the recipient must click on the link sent to the email. Before signing, the recipient of the document will be asked to verify their identity using one of the procedures provided. The identification process is conducted in real time with immediate results. During identification, the recipient will be informed, step by step, of the actions to be taken to complete the process. In the course of identity verification, Autenti collects at least such data as first name, last name, personal ID number, or ID card number. The data is compared with the personal data provided by the sender of the document. After positive identification, it is possible to place an advanced electronic signature on the document. In the case of negative result, the signing process is interrupted and the sender is informed about it. Two-step authentication using one-time code sent to recipient's phone number designated by the sender is required for the Autenti Advanced e-signature. A correctly entered one-time code sent via SMS authorizes the signature. The signatures and seals indicate the details resulting from the signer's identity verification process. If you sign many documents every month, or perhaps you work with someone remotely, don't hesitate to check out the Autenti Advanced e-signature offer. Would you like to know the difference between qualified signature and an advanced signature? Watch out upcoming videos from the Autenti Academy series.